So our today's topic is rule-based deconsolidation. Means what is this rule-based deconsolidation? Okay, yesterday also I have given the hint. Okay, like we are having a warehouse. Okay, here only warehouse we are having. Okay, so this is the decon center, right? Let us consider we are having a table here. Okay, so this is DCTV. Let us consider this is the DCTV, and the deconsolidation station is there. It is on the floor only. It is happening. Okay, on the floor only it is happening. So we can take it as a DC shop floor, like that. We're going to take. Okay, shop floor pe hai. So we're going to take it as a DC SF. See, whenever I am bringing some bigger pallets and all, okay, so those bigger pallets will not going to accommodate on the table, okay, so we cannot able to take the pallets over the table and work on them, okay. At that particular case, the pallet, whatever the pallet I'll be receiving, that has to come to the shop floor, and if you are getting some carton boxes and all, then it has to go to the decon table, okay. That is how we can able to get the means it is for the rule based. Okay, we are creating certain rules. If pallet is coming, automatically it should go to the shop floor, and if that what is that carton boxes are coming, it should automatically go to the table wise. Okay, so here you already know whatever the pallet and carton boxes are there, we have made them through the HU type groups. Have you remembered that? HU type groups.
Yes. H1. Yes.
HU types where
G1.
correct. So you have remembered. If you don't remember also, we can able to see how we're going to say and all. We're going to discuss in today's class. See, sometimes we may not remember the HU type groups and all. Correct. So that time, how we're going to see? Okay, first I'm going to show that. If you just remember the your product name, no, that is enough for us. Product name or number, that is enough. Through that, we can able to get everything. Okay, so that is possible. So here I will just go to /SCWM /mat1. Okay, we will go to the product first. Okay, our product is 1100 carton. Okay, this is one product, pallet is one product, like that. We are having the different products. So just take the carton. Okay, go to the display or the change. Okay, here if you go to the pack data, you can find the HU type here. Okay, HU type we are going to get it. HU type, where we have defined this HU type, we have defined it at the client level. Am I right? We have defined the HU types at the client level. So to bring them to the warehouse level, what we have done? Hello. We have brought them to the warehouse level, right?
Yes.
What we have done for that? Here, if you go to the cross process setting and handling unit, okay, in the basics, you can understand. Here, we have created the HU types. These are at the client level. So when we will going to create the HU groups, then we are maintaining them at the warehouse level. Okay, and I will going to assign this HU types to the HU type group. Okay, over here. So that time, what I'm doing, I am bringing this HU types also to the warehouse level. Here I have assigned. See, this is the group. Okay, we have the groups. Okay, so what we are doing is we are defining the rule for the staging as well. Okay, while staging also, see here. Here you have the staging, right? So let us consider here we have the GRA1 and here you have the GRA2. Let us consider GRA1 and GRA2. Okay. So if this is the door also, okay, door 1 and door 2 is there. We have discussed about this. Okay. if some bigger materials are coming, they have to move from the door one. That is why we have created the staging area door determination. Have you remembered that?
Yes.
Okay. So if smaller parts are coming or lightweight materials are coming, they have to come to the door to, like that. We have defined them. Okay, early only. So if pallets are means, we can give one staging area. If carton boxes are coming, we can give another staging area. Like that also we can able to. Okay, so this is the GRA1 means. If pallets are coming, that has to go to the GRA1. If what is that? The carton boxes are coming, they have to go to the GRA2. If anything is there in the GRA1, means pallets are there, that has to go to the shaft floor. If carton boxes are there in the GRA2, that has to go to the table. Like that also you can define. Okay, this is on our hand, how we will going to define the things. Okay, so what I will do, you anyway created the what is that deconsolidation we have created for the table. Now what I'll do, I'll going to create it for the shaft floor. Okay, we're going to create one more deconsolidation station for the shaft floor. Okay, go to the storage type definition. First, we have to create the storage type, correct? No? So say I'll just copy it. Okay, so it is better. Here we have created the table. No, I'll just copy it. Here I'm going to make SF DCSF. Okay, that is the shaft floor. Wherever you are not getting, no, please do ask me. Okay, we can able to discuss on them. Here the main thing is while creating the work center means it has to be capacity check should be ticked here. Okay, capacity check. Okay, so we have just taken the capacity check and the rules and all we have maintained. Okay, this one is okay role. We have just click enter. Okay, save it. And for this, I'll going to create one section and the bin. Okay. So we'll go for the section, create one section, okay. New entries, 1100, DC, SF is the storage type. Section I'm going to create some normal section only. I'm going to create total section like that. Okay, this section is not important at all. Okay, so just we are creating, and I'm going to create one bin. /n/SCWM/LS012 create the bin. Okay, here I'll say 1100 decon bin 2 something like that. Okay, so this is belongs to or else decon DCSF bin. Okay, something like that we're going to create. So this is DCSF. Okay, if you are saying the section, that is 0001. Okay, just save this. So I have created the section and the bin. Next, what we have to do? Yesterday I have given some roadmap, right? What we have to do? We just have to create work center here, right? Go back. Here we have to create the work center. Okay, once I have created the storage type for the work center, I have to create the actual work center. See, here I have to create the actual work center. So this specify work center layout, it will be same only. Okay, for deconsolidation, I am just defining the work center for mine. Okay, I'm going to go for the 1100. I'll just take this DCTB and copy it. I'll make it DCSF. Okay, work center, I'm giving the same name. Okay, decon work center for pallet. Let us consider this is for the pallet. Okay, somebody joining 1 minute. Okay, so I will be giving the decon work center for the pallet. I am creating one more work center. Okay, so extra step. What is the extra step here? Same step, no. We are doing the deconsolidation. Same step, we have to take it, correct, no? Hello?
Yes.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
this storage type, I'm going to take it as a SF now. Okay, I'm just copying the table and I'm creating the shop floor. That's it. And everything will going to remain the same. Nothing will going to change here. Okay, just copy this, save it. Okay, we have created DCSF as one particular decon center and DCTV as another. Okay, this is for the table and this is for the shop floor. Okay, and just tell me one question. I'll just ask you, when this deconsolidation is mandatory? Okay, we are telling about the deconsolidation, right? When this deconsolidation is mandatory? Any idea?
Different products are coming.
Okay.
Handling unit, once we have to unpack and store in the storage type.
See, when deconsolidation is mandatory means, I'll just give you the hint. Here we are bringing something like this. Okay, I'll just say save and close. Okay, here bringing some product, something like this. Okay, so whenever this is the decon HU. Okay, whatever the HU we are seeing now at the top, this is the decon HU. Whenever this decon HU leads to what is that, create more than one warehouse task. If this decon HU leads to create more than one warehouse task, then the deconsolidation is mandatory. Okay, that is first thing. And second thing is, see, we are having the bin. Let us consider this is the bin one. If means whatever the bin, okay, all the bins, okay, the bin capacity, okay, whenever the bin capacity is less than the capacity which is brought by the HU, which is brought by the deconsolidation HU, then also we have to make the deconsolidation activity. Am I right? Because let us consider the capacity of the bin is 10 kg and decon HU brought around some 20-30 kgs of products. How we will going to place this products in the bin? It is not possible, correct? So that time we have to break this HU, and if the same products has to be stored in the same storage type, still I have to break this, then I have to take the individual products, correct? No? Then I will going to place them into one bin, like that I will going to do. So this is where we're going to use the deconsolidation. This is the one more important thing, okay, where when the deconsolidation is mandatory, okay, that is one. So next, what I have to do after, just after creating the deconsolidation work center, what I have to do? Yesterday I have told you, I have to create the what is that attributes for a deconsolidation. Okay, where we're going to do it? Okay, so just go to the what is that means once I have created the deconsolidation work center, I have to go to the again work center here. Okay, SAM EWM, extended warehouse management. Here go to the master data work center you take. Okay, here define master data attributes. Okay, just go here and you have to assign your bin here. Correct? No? I said it yesterday. Just after the activity area creation, you have to do the bin sorting. And just after creation of the work center, you have to give the master data attribution. Okay. So I am giving my bin over here. Okay. This is the decon bin like that. Just save this. So until this, any doubts?
No.
Okay. So next part, no, we have to look at the for making up the rule based, we have to define the attributes for the deconsolidation. Okay, where we're going to see that. Okay, I'll just come from the starting phase. Okay, just see the what is that path. Okay, SPRO, IMG, SCM EWM, extended warehouse management. Here GR, sorry, goods receipt process. Under that we will be getting the deconsolidation. Okay, here if you going, here we are having a different things again. Okay, One thing is that define attributes for the deconsolidation. You just go here. Okay, you can see different things here for a particular warehouse. Some activity area they have defined, and what is the activity? Here they have defined in the maximum warehouse task in the put away HU. Okay, how many maximum warehouse tasks we can able to have, and maximum items deconsolidation HU. How many we can able to define the deconsolidation HU. Okay, you can define however you want. Okay, but as per our discussion, okay, we are bringing some one materials and all. Okay, so that this ST01 is there, no? I'll just take 1 Okay, you can maintain. Okay, 5 7 8 8 something like that you can maintain, but I am just maintaining 1 here. Okay, so what is the maximum euros task in the put away HU? That is 1 only, and maximum items deconsolidation HU, I am just keeping 1. Okay, I am just taking the materials in the ST0 and ST02 3 4. No, I am just keeping it over here. Okay, so wherever, okay, like put away whenever you are doing the some what is that final storage step, no, there only it will be available. Okay, so only it will be available at the final storage type only. Okay, so next thing, okay, next thing, just save it, go back, and next thing is specify deconsolidation station. See, what is this? Okay, for a carton box or a pallet, I want to know HU type group. Okay, I have shown them. Okay, for the pallet, what is the HU type group? How we going to see that? Okay, so if you just know the material, we can able to get the HU type group. Okay, so I want to now specify the deconsolidation station. So just go here, specify deconsolidation station. If anything is there on our name, just delete them. Nothing is there here. You can see. Okay, just say new entries. Here you see there are different criteria they have given. Based on the source storage type, you can able to define the or determine the deconsolidation station based upon the source. Based upon the HU type group, you can able to do. Based upon the activity area, you can do. Work center, you can do. Okay, so this is storage type where it should go and all. We are having it. Okay, so what I will define, I will just define based upon the HU type group. Okay, this is enough for me. Okay, field 1100 is my warehouse. What I'm doing, if the source storage type, okay, if source storage type is 11GR, okay, because from where the material is going, see here, material is going from the GR zone to the deconsolidation, am I right? So if the material is in 11GR, okay, this is the goods receipt area. If the material in the 11GR, and if the HU type group, okay, if the HU type group, okay, for the pallet, what is the HU type group? Or else for the what is that carton box, what is the HU type group?
HUG1.
HUG1, sorry, yeah, I think 11G1 is the HU type group.
Oh, yeah, double. Yeah,
Yeah.
double.
So 11G1 is the for pallet. Okay, 11G1, the pallet is there. Then what I'll do, I'll going to give the storage type for that. Sorry, work center for that. What is the work center? I have to give for that. That is DC TB. Correct, no? If the carton box, okay, HU type group, based upon the HU type group I am taking. If the carton box is coming, that has to go to the DCTB. Okay, so I'm just giving the rule here. 1100. Same, the material is in 11GR. Okay, when the material is in 11GR, and if the HU type group is 11G2, okay, this is the pallet. Okay, so HU type group. 1 minute, I'll just check. Okay, shouldn't be confused again. Okay, what is the HU type group we have maintained and all? We'll see. 1 minute. Okay, SPRO, IMG, SCM, EWM, Extended Warehouse Management, and here cross process settings, handling units, basics. Here I will go to this particular node. Okay, we have assigned the HU types now. So here these are the HU types. Okay, this is for the carton box and this is for the pallet. Yeah, we are right. So HU 11G2 is for the pallet only. Okay, 11G2 is for the pallet. So if the pallet is coming, that has to go to the DCSF. Are you clear with this?
Yes.
Okay, just click enter and save it. Okay, next, one more thing is really important, that is about the consolidation group. What do you mean by consolidation group? I have explained it very like in the simple way earlier also. Okay, consolidation group. Anybody remember this? What do you mean by consolidation group? It is nothing but the logical grouping up of the product. Logical grouping of the products. Have you remembered this? I have maintained one sentence here. Okay. This is nothing but the logical grouping up of the products. Means what? Okay. See, we have the activity area. What is activity area? Logical grouping up of bins. Okay. Logical grouping up of the bins is the activity area. See, we're going to create the activity area no, based upon. See, I'll just show you the diagram. Okay. We have seen it in the diagram also. Yes, see how we are means defining our activity area based upon a grouping up of the bins. Logical grouping up of the storage bins is nothing but the activity area. Correct, no? So just like that, consolidation group is nothing but logical grouping up of the products. How? Okay. See, some variety of products are coming. Okay, some variety of products are coming, and I want to group them and I want to pack them. I want to send to the customers. That is one particular grouping. Okay, and if you want to store certain products in a particular storage type, that time also you can able to create a consolidation group, and we can able to store a similar products in the particular storage type. Okay, that is also possible. That is how we are means keeping the products. Okay, that is the logical grouping up of the product. And what you can do, see, whatever the activity area I have generated now, the entire activity area I can able to create one consolidation group. The entire activity area I can able to create one consolidation group, so that what will going to happen, whatever the materials are there into that activity area, that will be considered in one particular consolidation group. Getting the idea? See, we are having a different activity areas here. So this entire activity area, I'm going to take it as one consolidation group. I'm going to assign one consolidation group number to this activity area. Means whatever the products are belongs to this particular activity area, this is considered as one group logically. Correct, no? Understanding, no? See, this is one activity area. Okay, for this activity area, I'm going to give the consolidation grouping number. Means what? Whatever the products are belongs to this particular activity area, we are logically grouping them. Okay, into one particular consolidation group. Like that I'm saying. Okay, we can able to do that. So how we'll going to do it? Okay, just go to the system. Okay, so here assign number is for the intervals of consolidation group. Just execute this. What? Okay, I think it is gone. Okay, I'll go to SPRO, IMG, SCM, EWM, Exchange Warehouse Management. We'll go to the sorry, where okay, goods receipt process, deconsolidation activity, and assign number ranges for the consolidation group, intervals to the consolidation group. Okay, so here there are different number ranges we are defined. Okay, for 1100, okay, nothing is defined here still. Okay, for 1100, nothing is defined here. Whether we have created the number ranges for the consolidation group or not. Do you remember? Whether we have created the what is the number range for the consolidation group or not? No, we have created. No, I'll just show you. SPRO, IMG, SCM, EWM, Exchange Warehouse Management, and we are master data, number ranges. Okay, here consolidation group. Okay, here we have created the number ranges for our warehouse. See, CG is the consolidation group. Remember now? Correct, no? So what we can do is, okay, we can pull this consolidation group against our activity area. Okay, against our activity area. How we will going to pull the consolidation group against our activity area means just go to your activity area here. Just go to the activity area here. Okay. So here there are defined activity areas there. Okay. And assign storage bins to activity area is there. Okay. We have defined our activity area and next is assign storage bins to activity area is there. Just go here. Okay. So just take 1100 and go to ST01, ST02, 3 and 4. Just go to the details. See, if you go down here, you can see full deconsolidation group like that. Okay. If you click on this, okay, see error in generating the check number range settings. Okay, so number range settings we have to define first, then only it will going to come. So why it is happening? Because we have not defined the number range set over here. Okay, just go to new entries, 1100, and type is whether internal deconsolidation, consolidation group for put away, what we are doing here. Okay, so we are doing just a consolidation group for put away here. Okay, number ranges, it is about the CG. And for everything you can give. See, I'm just not going to provide only for this. Let us consider and go back. What I will do, I'll go back. I don't want to save. Okay, 1 minute. If you want to give it now, give it for everything. Okay, so all these things you just copy. You can do it. Okay, not an issue. So if they are not helpful also, just do it as of now. Just copy them. See, double one, double.
Yeah, actually, already we are given, right?
No, this is the 0 one. We have not given our number range. No? We have to give our number range here. CG is our number range, correct? This is for some different warehouses they have created. This is for some different warehouse they have created. We have to give for ours, right? Are you getting?
Previously you shown, right?
Huh?
That master data.
No, number ranges we have created, bro. See here, we have created just the number range, but we have not yet assigned them to the different internal consolidation group, unique consolidation group. All for all these things we have not assigned them. Assignment. This is assignment.
Yeah, okay, okay.
1100. I'm just using CG. Okay, for everywhere I have created the CG only. CG 1100. 1100. CG. Okay, I am just created the means assign this consolidation group. Okay, this is the assignment. Okay, just save it. Now, if you are going to this screen and try to pull it, okay, see it is coming. This is our number range, correct? 5000 is the number range. If you go to the next, if you pulling it, 5001 it will come. Okay, changing the number range, that is fine. 5001 it will come. Okay, if you go to the next, okay, pull it, 5002 it will come. Okay, and for ST04, 5004 we are going to get. Okay, sorry, 3, save it now. So we have assigned our deconsolidation group to the activity areas. Okay. We have defined our deconsolidation group to the activity areas. So it is not like for one particular activity area we are defining one different number in this. It is not like that. If you are, I am just pull them based upon the activity area. Let us consider we want to have the ST01 and ST02 in the same consolidation group. We can define that. Okay, not an issue. But just now, as per the activity area, I have just pulled the number in this. That's it. Okay. Next thing, once we're going to do it now, whatever the activity, see, activity will going to means we have defined the activity and later on we have given the sorting for the activity. If you are changing something in the activity now, again you have to do the what is that bin sorting. Just a minute, just a minute. Okay, bin sorting is must. Okay, once we're going to create the something in the activity area means bin sorting is must. What I will do, I will again do the bin sorting here. Okay, so for the bin sorting, what is the transaction? That is SBST. Okay, so slash n slash SCWL slash SBST. So just for our warehouse, I'm going to create the bin sorting. That's it. Okay, for all the activity areas, for all the activities, it will going to generate the bin sorting. Okay. Anyway, we are doing the standard bin sorting, so we are going to create it like this. But if some bin sorting is like the customer asks for some different bin sorting for the different activity area, then we have to take care of the individual activity area. Okay, so we have to do that. Just a minute. Okay, so sorry. So now what we are doing is we're going to define our rule. Okay, so we have determined one rule here already. Okay, what is the rule? If HU type group, okay, if it is coming in the GR area 1, and we will be taking it the like based upon the HU type group. Okay, if double one G1 is there, then it has to go to the table, that is G1 means it is a carton box, and if double one G2 is there, that is a pallet, it should go to the where it should go shop floor. Okay, like that we have defined the same rule. We have to maintain it at the easy access as well. Okay, where we will going to do. Okay, I'll just show that. Okay, slash n here, go to the logistics, SCM EWM extended warehouse management. Okay, go to the settings here. Okay, in the settings, it will be comes under the part of shipping and receiving. Okay, so actually some ad management and all, it will also come in the part of shipping and receiving only. Okay, over here we're going to get the staging area and load determination. Okay, staging area and load determination. Okay, this is outbound and this is for the inbound. Okay, staging area and load determination. How I'm going to do the staging area and load determination? Here we have to do that. Okay, so you can able to do it based upon the warehouse process type, or else I have defined the staging area, load determination group and all. Okay, based upon that, or else HU type is there. Okay, and based on the HU type, what is the staging area and all, we can able to define. So what I'll do here, from which door it should come and all, we are giving it. Okay, I'll say new entries. See, my HU type. Okay, my HU type is double one H1 means double one H1 means what? That is the carton. Double one H1 is given for the carton, right? Hello.
Oh, carton. Yes. Carton.
Okay, then if this is in the staging area group, I am telling, okay, if this is in the double one GR, that is the GR zone, then it should come to the, we have already defined GR A1, it should come. Okay, it should come, sorry, GR A1. GR A1, it should come. See, I have said what I am giving the rule is, if my HU type is double one H1 means that is the carton box. If it is coming, then it should come to the GRA1. GRA1 means what? This is the taking a lightweight materials. Let us consider only carton boxes. It should come over here. Then, okay, GRA1 it should come. And here, what is the bin? I have to define that bin. Okay, whether I have created the bin over here or not, I don't know. So I have created the bin. So just select this bin. Getting the concept? I have defined. Okay, earlier what I have defined. If the material is there in the GR, okay, GR zone, entire GR zone, if the HU type group is double one G1, then that should go to the table. If G2 means that should go to the shop floor. Correct, no? Earlier. Now what I am defining? I am defining about the where the carton box should come. Okay, if the carton box is there, it should come to the GRA1. If pallet is there, it should come to the GRA2. Then the carton box is there. Let us consider truck brought the carton box. It is coming directly to the GRA1 through this rule. Okay, through this rule, because double one H1 means it should go to the GR and it should go to the GRA1 only. I am defining here. If double one S2 is there, I'll tell about this, and it should go to the GR zone only, but it should go to the GRA2 only. I am defining them. Okay, if the pallet is coming, that should go to the GRA2 only, like that I am defining it here. See here. Okay, then whatever the things are there in the GR zone, it should go to the deconsolidation table only. But if it is the carton box, based upon the double one G1, okay, HU type group, I am moving it to the table. HU type group, if it is G2, then I am moving it to the PCSF. Got it? Okay, fine. So click enter and save this. So what I have done, I have given the rules here. Okay, so now we need to maintain the access sequence for this. Okay, here whenever I'm going to do the setting now, I have to give the access sequence. See, here only it is available. Access sequence to staging area and door determination. On what basis I am doing the access sequence? On what basis? Okay, so see here I am doing it based upon the HU type groups and all, right? So we can provide that. Else, okay, this is the access sequence, right? Okay. So for this access sequence, we can give the door, we can give, or else what else is there? Okay, HU type is there. Okay, so based upon HU type also we will be doing the access sequence, correct? So what I'll do, okay, I'll just say new entries. So direction is inbound. For the inbound, based upon the HU type, I am giving the access. Am I right? HU type I have defined there. Just save this. Only HU type I'm just defining how the materials are moving like that. Okay, just save this. Now go to the PUC process, PUC steps. Okay. So now we should go to the PUC steps. Go back. Okay. Until this, you know, okay, SAM EWM, Extended Warehouse Management, and I have to go to the cross process settings, under that warehouse task. Okay, go to the POSC. Okay, here this is the POSC step. So here we have already given, okay, so you have given the external steps we have created in the storage process. If you are going and if you are seeing your storage process, it is intact. Okay, we are not changing anything over here. Okay, assignment, if you are seeing, it is already there. Okay, so it is already created. And one more thing, if you are making the rule based now, this tick should be at the deconsolidation station. Okay, this tick should be at the deconsolidation. We shouldn't create it at the unloading point. Okay, when we are creating the product as a HURS task at the deconsolidation station only. Okay, this is the one thing we need to remember. And these things are intact because unloading is happening, then deconsolidation should happen, then the put away should happen. That is correct. Now go to the second step, that is the process oriented storage control. Go to the position, just take whatever the things you are having. Okay, first thing, we are unloading the material. Okay, this is correct. Okay, we are unloading the material, but we are doing the rule based now. Correct? No, we are doing the rule based now. Now, if this is taking F010, okay, if the unloading will happen through the F010, I don't want to give any of the means. What I'll say? I'll say it is a rule based. I'll say means what? Means what? Tell me. I'm giving rule based here. What it means now? How it is going to take unloading? I'll tell you. Okay, unloading means okay. Let us consider carton boxes are coming. Carton boxes are coming with a double one H1 is the what is that H2 type for them. Am I right? Double one H1 is the H2 type for them. If double one H1 is there, see how we have determined. If double one H1 is there, then it should come to the GRA1. I have defined that. So that is why for unloading also I am doing the rule based. Getting the concept, I am removing everything. It will going to take the rule and it will going to come here. Got it? Any doubts? See, if you have doubts, please do ask. Okay. Okay, that is one thing. Second one, I am giving the deconsolidation now. See, this is the 3060 is the warehouse process type for the deconsolidation. Okay. So, how I will going to give for the deconsolidation station? Just observe here. Okay, just remove this first. Remove this first. Okay. Okay, so the sorry, my daughter is crying. That is why I'm again and again going there. Okay, so I am giving the one rule. Okay, so this is clear for you, everyone. Unloading how it is happening. Okay, if you are taking the pallet, let us consider how pallet if you are unloading that is having the HU type double one H2. If HU type is double one H2, it should go to the GRA2. We have defined this. Okay, so unloading is done now. Unloading is happening based upon the rule. Okay. Now, how the deconsolidation rule will going to set? Just observe this here. See, I'll say new entries. My warehouse is double one double zero. Okay. What is the external step? Double one DC is the external step. Means DC is the external step. Means I am going to do the deconsolidation station. I am going to do the deconsolidation. Here HU type group. Okay, what is the HU type group for the carton box? Double one G1, correct? HU type group for the carton box. This is the for the carton box. If the carton box is there, I am giving the what is that warehouse process type, this one, and I'm going to make it as a rule based. What it means? Okay, what it means? See, whenever the carton box is coming, okay, I mean, I'm not saying carton box. I'm just giving the HU type group here. If whatever the materials are coming with the HU type group, double one G1, double one G1, where the materials will be there, double one G1 materials, whether they are in the GRA1 or GRA2, tell me.
G1, A1.
How? Because they are having the HU type as double one H1. You are right? Correct, no? So you are right. Okay. So double one H1 is there means that will be there in the GRA1. That are nothing but the double one G1 only. This one understanding, no?
Yeah, H1 is assigned with the
G1, that is why. Okay. But here, deconsolidation, there is no HU type is available here because we are going through the warehouse. No, that is why it is asking for the HU type group. That's it. Okay. If HU type group is double one G1, I am just giving 3060 is the next. Okay, 3060 is the warehouse process type. If this warehouse process type is there, where the material should go? Double H1 G1, double one G1, where the material should go?
table.
Table. It will go, no? You have the rule for that. Remember? Okay, I'll give another one, double one double zero. Double one DC is the my step. Okay. Then if double one G2 is there, I'll just give 3060. Okay, and I'm going to define a rule based. Okay, what is the rule and all we have mentioned it previously only. Okay, so I'll just save this, go back, and whenever you are creating the warehouse task, okay, while moving into the deconsolidation station only it should happen. Okay, here I have shown, no, the tick should be at the while doing the deconsolidation activity. It shouldn't be at the while creating the what is that unloading. Okay, while unloading you shouldn't create that, only at the deconsolidation only you should have the product or HU warehouse task. Okay, now we're going to do one what is that testing. Okay, I'll do one testing. See what I'll do, will create, okay, all these things. Okay, let them be like this, slash and PL31N I'll do. Okay, so I have the PO. Okay, rule based. Let us consider I am bringing the products. Okay, I am bringing the products in the carton box first time. Okay, I am just going to pack them. I'll take the carton box here. Anything you can take. Okay, first I am taking the carton box. Let us consider. I am going to pack them and I'll save it. Okay, so if the carton box is I am taking, where the carton box should go, whether it is going to the GRA1 or GRA2?
A1.
A1. It should go to the GRA1. Whether if it is going to the GRA1, no, whatever we have defined till now, it will be a correct one. Or else we are flop. Okay, we need to check again and again. So go to the PIDI screen. Okay, PIDI screen. Just give your inbound delivery number here. Okay, so this is remove party entitled to dispose, or else you should remove, or else give the proper party entitled to dispose. Either the one you have to do. Okay, just give your inbound delivery number, execute this. Okay, this is the inbound delivery. Now what I'll do, I'll go to the following functions, warehouse task. First unloading activity is going to take place. Unloading. Okay, go to the HU here only it is going to generate, right? So once I'm going to say create, it is going from the door to the GRA1 it should go. This is a carton box, that is why. Okay, and we'll just check whether it is going or not. So GRA1, correct, no?
Yes.
It is going to the GRA1. Now I'll just say create plus save. Okay, we'll do entire activity for this. Okay, so that it will be like we are doing the deconsolidation again and again. Okay, so what you have to do, go to the monitor. Here monitor SAP is the standard monitor. Just execute this. Okay, go to the inbound delivery and warehouse task you go. Okay, so here I'll just execute this. For this inbound delivery, I'm just executing the warehouse task. Only one warehouse task it is available. Once I'm going to confirm it, how many warehouse tasks will going to generate? How many warehouse tasks will going to generate once I'm going to confirm this?
1.
No, 3, no.
3.
Correct, no. I'll going to confirm once the unloading will going to happen means 3 warehouse tasks will going to generate. Okay, see. I am just confirming it, okay, at the back end. Warehouse task at the back end, okay, confirming it. It's gone around. System, it is not stable because of my network, okay. It is not his fault. My network is not good. So that is why it is not stable. Yeah, it is there. Okay, it will going to create. We have to wait. So initially, for unloading, it has created only one warehouse task. But once from the unloading to deconsolidation, it has to create 3 warehouse tasks here. Okay, that is what the meaning. We have ticked it now. So that is why it is creating. And once the carton box is coming, where it should go? It is go to the DCTB only. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, we'll check that. Okay, that one we should check whether it is going to the DCTB or DCSF. We have to see, right? Let it complete. My daughter, she never wake up like this, okay? But once she will wake up like this, no, it will be like disaster in home. She'll not stop only. Unnecessarily, she'll be crying all the time.
Same everyone's house.
Yeah, now you can see 3 different tasks were created, and you can see DCTBs it is taken here because it is a carton box. Are you means clear about this?
So totally 4 it is getting generated along with the put away.
Along with put away 4 here you can see the warehouse task here numbers. Okay, these are the warehouse task numbers. Okay, now if I am confirming this, see, this will be in the waiting stage only. Okay, I will going to confirm it. Now the material is moving from the GR directly to the ST01. Some storage bin it is going. Okay, some storage bin it is going here. It is going from directly from the GR, but whether it will going to directly go from the GR or from the deconsolidation. Correct. But as we have not confirmed this, whether the material is in the deconsolidation or not, we have to first confirm it, then only it will change. Just observe this. Okay, I am just going to create it at the, means what is the foreground and background? You might be having the question. Are you having the question this? Nothing. Okay, if you go to the foreground, it will going to take you to the same page. Okay, where we used to do it earlier. See, this is open. If you can confirm here, confirm here. That is also same thing only. Okay, concept understanding, no, this concept.
Yes.
Okay, if you are creating at the background, you are not going to that page, and you are just creating it over here only, nothing else. Okay, just go to the more methods and create it at the background. Now it will change here. It is going to take it as a DCTB. Okay, means now the material is at the deconsolidation station. You have to do some activity here. Okay, in the deconsolidation station, you have to what is that? Separate those particular materials. How many warehouse tasks are there? 2 warehouse tasks are there. Correct? No, these are the 2 warehouse tasks. So these 2 warehouse tasks are for the products. Okay, these 2 warehouse tasks are for the products actually. So these products, what you are doing in the deconsolidation is they are into one particular box. Now you are separating them, and you are differentiating the box, and you are sending it to some different storage types. This is what the activity you are doing in the deconsolidation. Correct? No? So what I have to do, I will going to log into the deconsolidation workstation. Okay, just go /n/scwm/decons. Okay, this is the deconsolidation, and here DCTB is the one what is that work center we have created. Just execute this. See, we are getting this box. Okay, 40226. Okay, whether just find 40226 as the what is that HU. This is the HU. Am I right? So now what I am doing, I don't want this HU. See, you can able to create 2 HUs, and while deconsolidation, you can give the HU, or else don't create the HU at all. Directly you can able to do. See, 40266 I am taking. Sorry, 226 is the source HU formula. Source HU. and don't give quantity or nothing. Okay, just give the pack material. 1100 carton only. I want to pack the material. And you have to select the warehouse task. Okay, what is the warehouse task? These are the two warehouse tasks which are available. Am I right? These warehouse tasks you are packing into a different carton boxes now. Okay, so that is what these are for the products. These two warehouse tasks are the products. They are waiting now. What I'll do? I'll go to the warehouse task, select one warehouse task. Okay, and you are executing for this particular warehouse task, and you are packing that particular material into this particular carton box. Then execute. See, it has created its own, what is that? Its own means issue, and it is generated. Second one, it is already there in the carton box. No, I'll just take this carton box only. Let the product will be like this here. It's also okay. Okay, you can just take this carton box and you can create one more carton box. You are just segregating the products and you can move. That is also possible. Understood? No?
Yes. So otherwise we
Yes.
can delete the.
You can delete or else you can create one more HU. That is also possible. Not an issue. Yes, Dinesh, you were asking something.
Yeah, HU creation, we can manually do this. And apart from this, warehouse task confirmation, we need to do it individually, Sri.
Yes, individually we have to do. Or else, if you see, this is going to some different storage type, and this is going to some different storage type. Both are going to the same storage type. Just finish this HU, complete the process, and this will be done. As these materials are going to some different storage types, I am doing like this. Correct, no? Okay. So what I'll do, see, if you are opening this HU, detail 1 tab, HU process is not yet completed. HU step is not yet completed. We have to complete this. Okay. I'll complete both the things. I'm taking, okay, whatever the source I have brought now, in the same source, I'm going to put it in the ST03. This is map 2. Okay. And this one, I'm going to complete this also. If you complete this, and if you are go and check for this, here HU type step is completed. Yes.
Yes. Actually, previously 40226 was there, and inside that 2 material was there.
Correct.
And one HU we are putting it in one bin. If we confirm like that.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Now we have separated 2 HUs.
Yes, one HU only I have created, and I have separated the mat one only. Other material it is still in the same HU, and the same HU I want to.
It's 2 HU, right?
Yes. Correct.
Now, when you are unloading, you are separating in carton and pallet.
No. 1 minute. While unloading, I am taking in the means one particular HU, both the materials are coming. While unloading, okay. But for put away, mat 2 has to go to the ST03, mat 1 has to go to ST01.
It is 2, yeah. Again, you have separated 2 HU.
Yes. Okay. So now the step is completed. Go to the here. Just refresh this. Okay, you can see both these things will be open now. Okay, now what you can do? You can just what is that? You say it from the background. You are closing it means it will go to the ST01, 1, 2. Okay, sorry, 1, 2. Some bin it is going. That's it. Okay, ST01. Just understand that. Okay, then you can also just not this one. This one. Confirm this warehouse task. It is going to ST03. Any doubts here? Okay, this is for the DC TB it is taken. But now I am going to bring the palette. What it will going to do, we'll see. Okay. I want to bring it in the palette means. Okay. Here only I am going to create /n PL 3110. Okay, same thing. Rule based 02. Okay. One material I'll take. This one material I'll take. See, let us consider I am taking 2 materials. Okay. So this one also I need to tell you. Okay. 2 material I am taking. And I am going to pack them into the palette. Okay. Palette is there. And I am going to pack all these materials into one palette. If the palette is coming, where it should go? GRA1 or GRA2?
GRA2.
Yes,
GRA2.
correct. Okay, I am just saving it. 3052 is my inbound delivery. I'll go to the PRDI screen. /n/scwm/PRDI. Okay, so I'll go and do my number and execute this. Okay, directly go to the inbound delivery, follow-on functions, warehouse task. Okay, once I'm going to say create means it should go to the GRA2. That is the rule what we have defined. Okay, so this is unloading. Okay, IBDR from the door we are unloading. I'll say create. Okay, if you go down, it should go to the GRA2. Am I right? This is the rule what we have given. Correct, no?
Right.
Okay, so now I'll just confirm it. Sorry, not confirm. I'll just create and save it. Go with this inbound delivery now. I'm just opening the warehouse tasks here. How many warehouse tasks will be generated at the initial stage for unloading?
For unloading, 2.
No, 1, because
No, 1 is from storage.
only
default
one. This is
storage,
a pallet which is coming now. Okay, this is the pallet.
Okay,
This is
pallet.
having the HU warehouse task, and the HU number is 40227. This is the number. Okay, we are creating one warehouse task at the unloading station because I have ticked it at the storage process. You should remember that. Okay. Next, if I am what I'll do, I'll just confirm it at the background means I'm going to create another 3. 5, 3. 2 for the products, 1 for the HU. Correct? I'll say confirm that the background means.
Okay, so it is same like we can assume like bill of materials we can assume. HU we can assume like bill of material if I'm right.
Bill
So
of
based on the
materials.
materials.
Oh, bro, don't get confused over there. It will be. I'm thinking like, oh, why is going to subcontract it like that?
नहीं ये just assumption के लिए.
Yes, yes.
So that we can
No,
understand.
you remember like that because some people may get disturbed with that. No, you can have your own idea, correct? No, you can remember like that for you. But people, if somebody is understanding, they're going to take it like this only, okay? Because whatever the HU I have brought it at the unloading, now I want to do the deconsolidation. Next step. For deconsolidation, I have ticked what? It should create the automatic warehouse task, one thing. And at the deconsolidation station, if you are moving from the GR to the deconsolidation, it should create HU or the product warehouse task as well. So these two are the product warehouse task, and this is the HU warehouse task which is generated now. Okay, and I have brought two products. Remember now. Yes?
But why it is creating for two products? It should create for one only, no?
No. 2 products are there. No, here 2 products are there within this.
Mat 1, Mat 2.
Mat 1, Mat 2 are there. I am creating for both the products, correct? And I am brought. Yes. This time I have brought two products. Okay, remember I have brought two products. Okay, so
Yes.
what we will do? I am going to send to the deconsolidation. See here, DCSF it is taken. Why SF? Because it is a pallet. That is why it is going to the shop floor. Okay, I'll just do it from the back end. I'm going to confirm it. Just now we're going to differently we're going to do it. Okay, from the DCSF it will going to move now. See, DCSF to some storage type. What I'll do, I'll just log into the deconsolidation station. Go back. You have to go to the DCSF here. Okay, if you are going to the DCTB, it will not be taken. SF you take. Just execute this. Okay, here it will going to see one HU. Okay, one HU is there. But these are the two products. What I want to do is, I don't want to pack two products into a carton. I want to pack one material. Okay, this is pallet, it is there. I want to put one material. Okay, one material in one carton boxes like that I want to put. Whether you can able to do it or not.
Yes.
Definitely, okay. So just go to the deconsolidation. This is the HU 40227. This is the source one. And I'll go to the warehouse task here. Okay, select the one warehouse task. Okay, this 10043 is one warehouse task. It is having two different materials. Okay, I will going to change the quantity to 1. That's it. Okay, packaging material, I am going to use the carton. Just execute. It will going to only one material will be placed into this particular carton box. Understood?
Yes.
So
I'll
usually based on material level also we can do the selection, we can create the HUs.
yes. Okay, and I am going to yes.
60011 HU है ना मतलब
HUA. Why it is taken this number? Don't ask me now. Okay, because this
EWM side
EWM side से ये generate हो रहा है. Okay. Number range we have given internal number range as external number range, external number range as internal number range. We have changed it. You remember? This one you should go back to the previous class and you have to see, bro. Okay. So next thing I am just doing for one more material I am going to take. Okay, warehouse task. One more material is remaining for the math one. Okay, I am just taking math one only. I am taking. Okay, this is the one. Just execute this. Okay, and so see it is taking a same bin. Okay, same carton box it is taking. I don't want this. Okay, I'll remove it. I want to create it into some different carton box. Okay, just execute. Okay, it is there here. HU number is available, but still it will not be considered. I have removed it from here. No, if you are clicking enter, see it is removing from here also. Okay, just execute now. It is creating one more carton box and it is testing. Got it? Any doubts here? Okay.
So Sribhai,
Yes.
were you able to do the same kind of configuration in your existing projects also in anywhere?
Yeah.
I mean, this kind of complicated.
I have not got the complicated projects till now. That is the one thing. Now also we are at the explore phase. Okay, one project. Just now I have joined one company now. It is just going through the explore phase. We are asking and we are maintaining very basic level of EWM activities. There is no VAS, there is no deconsolidation, nothing is there.
See, so far, I mean, earlier I was in Infosys. Over there also we do have EWM.
Okay.
They were doing EWM process, but it was very simple over there.
Okay.
They don't
No,
have,
it is based upon the business only. See, when I was doing for the what is that big basket, no, that time there were so many different what is that deconsolidation, everything we should do it. Okay, but here they are initially going. Okay, if you are making everything tough for them, they cannot understand. They are very aged people. They don't want to learn also. That is the case here. They are using the Symphony as of now. Okay, that is the legacy system for them. Symphony. In the Symphony, they have made any rules. Okay, whatever they want. They are doing the valuation at the warehouse level. Okay, where we will do the valuation. Okay, we can able to do only at the client level or the company code level. Correct, no?
right.
So this is how. Okay, there are so many different things are available. They don't want to change the process. That is the main thing. Because SAP will going to maintain some standard things. We cannot able to change them. We can, but it is tough for them later on. Okay, if somebody is coming for the AMS and he is going through the activities, means whatever the customization we have done, he'll be literally worried about them. Okay, so that is why how much simple and how much what is that straightforward if you are keeping, that much robust will be the system. Correct, no? So that is how we are thinking to take it. So some processes will be, they don't want to see whatever the tradable goods are coming, they don't want to hit to the PRD that transaction. How it will going to happen? It should hit, no? So they don't want to change that also. That level they are asking for the this one. Just like Symphony they want to go, it is not going to happen actually.
So is it in your existing project they are asking that way?
Yeah, in existing project only they are asking like that. See, they have to learn little bit, then only it will be helpful for them. If they are giving one product number, no, they are also getting some selection screen. They are giving one product number, means for the product number, the product is wherever the product is available, it will going to show the same way in the SAP. But In SAP, it will going to show only at the plant levels and all. Well, it is not going to show at the warehouse. Okay, in what are the different warehouse it is available like that. That is one customized report we have to generate if they want to see like that. Okay, so that is they have to see it somewhere else. Okay, so if they are ready, then only it is very easy for us to build. Okay, or else we have to do some custom reports and all. Okay, leave it. So here I am taking the new product. Okay, this is in the palette still. What I'll do, I'll again deconsolidate and I'll going to put both the products in some carton box. Okay, 40227 I'll take. And I'll just take some carton box and I'm going to take the warehouse task. Array. We should complete and we should speak, I think. Okay, I will go to the /n/scwm/d ons. Okay. Here, execute. Okay, yeah, it is there. Okay, now I am taking the next one. Go to the deconsolidation. This is the source. And I want to pack. I'll just take both the materials into one carton box. Okay, just consider like that. In the mat 2. Okay, I'm just taking this. Both the products, I'm putting it into one carton box and moving. Okay, just execute this. It will create one more. Okay, carton box and it is saving. Okay, this is empty now. See, I'm just saving it now. Okay, just save it now. What it will going to happen? Just observe it here. Okay, I'm just saving it. Go to the monitor. Okay. /n/scwm/mon SAP. Execute. Okay, go to the inbound delivery warehouse task. Okay, take this warehouse task and execute this. Okay, you can see so many different things now. It is still open. It is still waiting. What are the different things you are saying? See,
B is partial, C is completed.
Yeah, that is what. See, what we have done. This is taking from the DCSF to DCSF only. Means we are moving from this particular carton pallet to some carton box, and we are saying we are just placing the material. I am just placing the material here. Okay, when pallet is there, I have broken the pallet and I am placing the material. I have not yet closed this carton box. I have not yet closed this carton box. I have not yet closed this carton box. I am not saying the process is completed here. Still the process is there. I am doing some labeling. I am doing the relabeling, let us consider, or else I am doing the weight check. Something I am doing it over here, so the process is not yet completed. I am saying that is why like this the things are there. Okay, so DCSF to DCSF only it is moving, but it is changing its what is that HU? See here, it is HU is here, and from this HU it is changing to this one, and this one. Okay, 3 different HUs we have created. Now I am going to say it is completed. Okay, means 117. No, it will open. Okay, 117. If you are refreshing, see 117 is this one. Here B, no, it will going to open. Just observe this. Sorry, it is open somewhere else. Okay, 117. Yeah, 117 is there. It is open for us. Okay, 119 again it will going to open. 118 if you are saying it will going to open. Like that it will going to open and we have to proceed further. Okay, so open this means we are closing this process. Okay, and we are telling it to proceed further. Okay, I am closing this. Now if you are refreshing, all the things will be opened. Okay, so just you have to select everything and you can say, or else so individually you can able to do it. Okay, confirm from the backend. So everything is going to get confirmed and your entire process is completed. So rule based understood, no? How the rule based will going to create and all.
Yes.
Okay, so that's it for today.
To understand this and to work on this, this is little bit complex only for all, if I'm right.
Actually,
Yes,
this
yes,
is the complex processes in EWM. That is the name for this, okay? These are some complex processes only, okay? So, yes.
So, if we are considering only the strategies, right?
Mhm.
In the strategies itself, our head will round like anything. Okay, this, that. Okay, here we have done that. Okay, because of that, it's coming here.
Mhm.
After including strategy, we are coming for this deconsolidation. And again in deconsolidation, we are having that warehouse process types and batches sequence. And apart from that, we have the strategies. And apart from that, we have this kind of concept. So this is a Gumbra.
No. Actually, if you are seeing the videos again and once you are thorough with this, no strategies, you will play like anything. That is for sure.
One big question.
Mhm.
In interview, did they ask this process to you?
No. Entire process they will not going to ask. Okay, where to go the what is that? Means these steps they are going to ask. Okay, whatever the steps I have given, they are going to ask. But in depth, nobody will going to remember. Okay, but once we're going to do this activity, no, definitely will remember this. It is very easy actually. You are getting some confusion as of now. But see, whatever the things I have told until this, you can able to do it within half an hour or 15 minutes. I don't know. Okay. Nothing is there within this. Correct, no?
जहाँ पर भी simply interview लेंगे बताओ श्री भाई. I will try to attend.
No. What we'll do? Okay, we'll be having the mock interview for sure. Okay, whoever is getting ready, no, for them once I'm going to complete the class. If somebody is getting ready, we'll be taking the mock interview for them. Okay. I'll bring my some other colleagues also. They'll also take. Okay. So what it will.
No. I'm also not preparing much.
No. You have to.
Yesterday class.
You have to prepare.